to create an agent-based image backup in ActiveImage Protector, please go to Backup, Volume Backup, choose your volume or disk you want to take the backup. Go Next, specify the backup target. You can change the default compression method to deduplication and compression to save much more storage space. You can encrypt your image files and add a password protection. Go Next. Now you can specify how often you want to run a full backup and incremental backups. For example, on the left, I specify weekly, each Sunday at 2 p.m. you will run a full backup, and on the right, we can specify the incremental trigger. For example, from Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. every 15 minutes. At the end, you can enable the retention policy to automatically delete old image sets. Optional, you can enable email notification to get an information if a task has been successful or failed.